Hello friends, now we will see chapter 6, Dancing in the Spotlight, and it's from a girl named Misty. Chapter 6, Dancing in the Spotlight. Misty showed everyone she deserved the spotlight. At age 24, she became a soloist. Misty was only the second African American female soloist in the company's history. 5 years later, she got the role of a lifetime in The Firebird. This famous ballet about a magical bird who helps a prince defeat an evil sorcerer. He had been around for more than 100 years. Misty would be the first African American woman to dance the role of the Firebird for a major ballet company. For months, Misty poured herself into practicing. Even when her leg began to hurt, she kept going. Misty pushed through the pain, not realizing she had several fractures, a type of serious injury that could threaten her career. One day, Misty saw a huge banner hanging outside the Merritt Opera House.
Outside of the... I have stopped it. No, I have stopped it. I have stopped it, I said. I have already stopped it.
Now, before you upload this video, you watch it once more.
Okay, I will. Metropolitan.
See, look here.
No problem.
Start.
Wait. Why is it so blurred? Hey. Why?
Sunlight needs to fall.
No, from where will sunlight come here?
I told you to start. For months, Misty poured herself all in. Sorry, I was here. Metropolitan Opera House. It was a photo of her as the Firebird. She teared up when she saw it. Many girls would see her brown skin and curves and see a reflection of themselves. An opening night of the packed performance, Misty's pain was horrible. She focused instead on all the people who believed her and became the Firebird. Days later, Misty knew she couldn't continue. She had to take another break from ABT and have a major surgery. Would she be able to return? What do you think? What do you think? I think she will. Only did Misty come back to ABT 3 years after her performance as the Firebird. The artist director of ABT told Misty Copeland to take a bow. She had been promoted to principal dancer, the highest level a dancer can reach. Misty had finally achieved her dream. She was the first African American female principal dancer in the company's history. As her ABT family cheered for her, she could feel the world applauding too. Mystique, the shy little girl with the big talent, had become the star she always meant to be. This is the end of the story, and this is Misty's timeline. Mystique Copeland, born in Kansas City, Missouri, on September 10, 1985, Misty moved to San Pedro, California with her mom and siblings. 1989 to 1990, Misty begins trying gymnastic moves at home after watching a movie about Olympic gymnastic Nadia Comaneci. 1995, Cindy Bradley offers Misty a full scholarship to her ballet school. Yes, 16-year-old Misty Copeland poses at the Lauretzen Ballet Center in California, 1998. Top Misty performing in The Sleeping Beauty at the Metropolitan Opera House in the left in 2013. Misty dancing 2011 with ABT in Company B in London. Right, Misty performing Don Quixote in 2017. 1996, Misty dances in Pointe after only 2 months of classes. 1996, Misty performs the lead role of Clara in the Nutcracker ballet. 2000, Misty is invited to participate in a summer program at American Ballet Theatre. 2001, Misty is promoted to ABT's Crosby Ballet at age 19. 2007, Misty becomes a soloist at age 24. 2012, Misty performs the lead role in The Firebird at the Metropolitan Opera House in June, the first African dancer to cast in that part of the major ballet company. Misty's injuries 2012, Misty's injuries require major surgery in October. Misty returned as the Firebird in 2016, 4 years after her international performance.
Initial performance. Little to go.
2015, Misty is promoted to principal dancer at ABT, the first African American woman in the history of the company. These are the pictures. Top Misty is honored at the Time 100 gala celebrating the 100 most influential people in the world on April 21, 2015. Right, Misty is photographed in 2016. Thank you. This was all about Misty. I am Ballerina Sampada. I am Dancer Sampada. These are my moves. are some basic steps. Create